like this is... Oh, pity, it's not showing it now. Look at this moving!
We will stand 100% against cuts and against austerity. Clearly our selling words, starting with the frontline and closing.
So the tourists are here.
There's been 3 strikes so far. We're a strike again on
African shackle now. Go for my shackle iliac. A mid-range migraine, cancer, membrane. Sometimes I think I'm going to send it.
Opportunity for so many of our young people that live right now without it. We understand, you understand, the history of progress is a history of struggle, of conflict between those that have that wealthy elite and those that don't. And we stand here today with those who have stood here before us, the radicals and the militants, the suffragettes, the union organisers, our public service workers. All of those working people, all of those living in our communities fighting back to defend those that built our movement in solidarity with those that keep our red flag flying high. Ungovernable! I have a word from Mr. Cameron. Stop talking about your party representing working people. We represent ourselves. And we know what we need, and we know what needs to be done, and we don't need somebody whose children will inherit more than we can earn in a lifetime to pretend that he knows what we need and what we want.
Those in precarious work and those out of work. It will never legitimise the poverty and human suffering caused by the greed and gluttony of unaccountable vested interests. And I can tell you this, it will never, never, never legitimise the attacks on ordinary trade unionists, on democracy in the workplace, or on the right to strike. So let me warn this government once again, push us outside of the law and you will be responsible for the consequences, not us. Let's be clear. The battle ahead.
Black women of the future fighting against austerity. But there's one
Council in Dublin and all of the administrations right across these islands was represented. And I took the opportunity as a government minister directly to the British government representative to say that I am a government minister and I am opposed to the austerity agenda that this British government is pursuing. And I am delighted to be here today in solidarity with you, all the way from Ireland. All of us fighting the right-wing, fights right policies on both sides of the Irish Sea. My party, Sinn Féin, is an anti-austerity party. We stood for election on an anti-austerity platform, and we are mandated by our electorate to oppose austerity.
Sinn Féin is in coalition government in the north of Ireland, and I am the Deputy First Minister in that government. And in government, we are proud to say that we blocked the welfare bill. We blocked the welfare cuts that the Tory-led coalition demanded that we oppose on the most vulnerable.
So we should stop the policies that are making them pay for a crisis that was none of their making. And we're here to remind the government as well that 76% of people did not vote for them. George Osborne, you have no mandate for these cuts, so stop your ideological war on welfare, end austerity now. Trade unions are vital voice for working people, and they are key to fighting inequality.